What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy Crick D in the building. And today, I'm going to show you guys how you can make your live stream look just like this. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. First thing you need to do is download OBS. This real easy. People think it's hard. It's not hard. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. Make sure you download OBS. Pause. Download OBS. The next step is going to be to go to your YouTube Creator Studio. So once you got your OBS download, go to your Creator Studio. Once you got OBS, like I said, download and install it. I can't tell you to click the link in the above, click the card above, and go watch another video and come back. We're gonna do all around here Boogie time. We're gonna do all this whole video in 5 minutes, the same amount of time it'll take you to watch one video, and you still ain't gonna know what you're doing. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your Creator Studio. Once your OBS is downloaded, or you can download, however you do it, you're gonna go to your where it says live streaming. Bam! You're gonna open this up. You know, y'all already know how to get right here where you go live streaming. You're gonna go down here, right here to the bottom. Don't never give nobody this stream key. Don't never reveal this. You're gonna copy this stream key right here. You're gonna copy this. Never ever let nobody see that. And once your OBS is done downloading and all in installed, you're gonna open it up once you got the stream key. You're gonna open up this button that says settings. 1, 2, 3, 4 down, setting. Open it up. Once you get to your settings, you're gonna go to where it says stream. The second button down, stream. Service. You're gonna go all the way down to where you see YouTube gaming. Bam. And right here where you see stream key, you're gonna copy that key that you took from YouTube. You're gonna push OK, and you're gonna push apply OK. Now for your video, you're gonna go to your video settings. No, wait a minute, output. Go to your output settings, output. Stay in settings, go to output. You're gonna go down here to where it says recording format. You're gonna change this to MP4, right there. Output, recording format, MP4. Apply. Okay, get out of there. Now your OBS is ready to stream to YouTube. First thing you want to do is you're going to open up your camera. You're going to click plus, add your video capture device. That's your camera right there. Bam. Let me turn this green screen off so y'all won't have no problem. We're going to delete this right here. Once you open up your camera, you're going to be looking like this. Your camera going to look like this. See the green? First thing you want to do, if you want to get rid of that green, see that little white, you're going to hold Alt, grab that little red dot, and pull that out. See that? You can pull it down. However you want to do it, whatever floats your boat. Now, on your video capture device, pause this if you got to do all that, whatever. On your video capture, right-click, go to Filters. Bam, Filters. See where it says Effect Filter? You're going to go down here to the plus sign. Go up to here to where it says chroma key. Right here, chroma key. Click that. You can name it if you want to. Okay. Now you see it took some of the green out. Now what you want to do is take this first level and move it till you get your screen black and looking. These are only two I use. Do y'all know anything else? See that? It went from here to here. Okay, close. Down. There's your green screen. Right click on your plus sign, video capture device. Right click on video capture, go to filters, plus, add your chroma key. Chroma key, bam, right there. Don't close that. That's your green screen. Now you wanna put your background in there. You're gonna go back to this plus sign, and you're gonna go to where it says media source. Media source. Bam! Click on that, click OK. Make sure you put it on loop. You get that loop. And you're going to click this. Make sure all these buttons right here lit up, right there. You can slow it up and speed it up right there. Go to Browse. Wherever you got your backgrounds at. I'm going to show you. You get free background from Movietools. I'll leave a link. I'll show you where it's at. I'm trying not to be too long. Okay, you're going to click on your background. Open it up. There's your background. You can right-click on this and transform. I don't like that anyway. Hold on, y'all. Give me a different background. Take the Eiffel tower up in the jump. Bam. You can right click on this, transform, stretch the screen. Now you can't see your camera, but this background, remember I told you that's moving too fast. So you can double click on media source and slow it down right there. Okay, see how I slowed it down? Now you don't see your camera because your camera is up under the media source. You must keep your camera on top. Bam, there's your camera. Now you ready for streaming. See what I'm saying? This is easy, yo. You can also use this, we ain't gonna go into all that. Now you ready for streaming. Now to put the closed caption in there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go, click this plus sign, you gotta open this window. I'm gonna show you a trick, I'm gonna show you a quick trick. You can take these windows and drag them out. See, watch this. Just click on it and drag it down. See that? Then you can make it smaller, you can adjust the windows. Because you need these windows in order to capture. Same with this. You can take this, click on it, drag it out. Minimize it. Where my other one at? Now you got two windows. Now, OBS, what you're going to do is you're going to go plus window capture. Plus sign. See, there go that first one. That's that Google one. Okay. That's that window right there. You can click on it, move, and you can resize it, whatever you want to do. Now for your closed caption, you're going to go back plus window capture. Okay. Go down and you're going to find where it says web caption. Right here. Bam. That's that. Okay. And here's your closed caption right here in your stream. Now what you want to do is click Alt, A-L-T, click this and resize it. See that? Click that and resize it. And you take this and put it where you want to. You can just click on this and move it down. See? If you don't want to stretch it. Okay, now there's your, just play with this and get it right. That's all you gotta do. See that? Pull this back down, because all we need to see is what you're saying. Now you got somebody at work or wherever they at, they can see you. Hold on, this ain't right, y'all. Let me stress this. We missing something. Stretch this out. You can also, that's too big right there. We're gonna move that. We're gonna fix this, y'all. And once you can go inside your web captioner, and you see these three dots. You click them three dots. You go to settings, appearance. Go down, down, down. However you want it to show up, you can click this and it show up like that. However you want it to show up, exit out, and there you go. It's on your live stream. You can adjust this, you can speed it up, slow it down, whatever you gotta do. You'll move that window, but keep this, you gotta keep the windows open there. Keep them open in the background, whatever you do. And this the other window that's showing this display, caption this display. See, I'm trying to keep it all organized for you. Let me move this over here. We're gonna do it like this, y'all. Now you see, as I'm live streaming, you can see my closed caption. Let me move this right there. Now, right here could be the people video that you want to watch. Whatever you want to watch right there. See what I'm saying? As I change this, that's gonna change. See that? Then I click on the video. Bam! And it's gonna play in the background right there. Now you got your camera, your green screen, and your closed caption. I try to make this video as easy as possible. I'm gonna recap it for you. Hold on, let me get out, let me escape this. We gotta make this small, y'all. Oh, wrong button. Okay, wrong. You gotta make sure it's fitting all up in the windows and stuff, all that. When y'all, you get the jits, any window that you open is gonna open up right there. See, any window. It's gonna open up on that screen right there. And there's your closed caption right there at the bottom. This is real easy, y'all. A recap. Download OBS. I'm gonna take this off. Y'all know how I do it at Boogie Time. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take everything off on my camera. I need my camera. Take this off, take this off, take this. I'm gonna leave what you need in the bottom. Once you download your OBS, You're going to go to settings. You're going to go up to stream. I showed you where to go on YouTube. You're going to get that stream key. Never show nobody. You're going to copy right there, apply. Oh, then you're going to go to output. Make sure you go down to recording format, MP4. Apply, okay. Now you're ready to stream. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to plus, get to your media source. Media source, okay. Make sure all these lights are lit up, and then you're going to click browse. Wherever you got your backgrounds at, that's where you're going to select. Bam, there you go. Remember, right click, transform, stretch the screen. Remember, your camera must stay on the top. Bam. Now, once you got this and that set up, you're going to go back to the plus, window capture. Okay. You're going to capture the window right there. Okay. Now you got that. You're going to hold the Alt button, ALT, click on the left side of your mouse and pull that down. The same with the bottom. You're going to fit it to your string. See that? However you want to put this in there. I showed you how to get to this. I'll show you again. You're going to click the three dots. You go to settings, appearance. You can the color, you can change the color right here. How you want to do this, y'all. Okay, change the color of the text. You can change the background, the size. You can change the layout, see? How you want to do this. Put it right there full. And that's how it's going to show up in your stream. Make sure it stay open, never close that. Now what you want to do is you're going to go back and get you another window capture. Bam. Okay. You're going to capture you a different window. Whatever you got open for your subscribers or whatever you want people to see, you're going to open that window. Let's see, I just open this just for video purposes. Okay. Bam. Okay. Now that's that window. Just resize it. See that? Now you ready to stream. If you just want to use this to record a video, you can push start recording, bam, and you start recording. You ain't got to stream. You can record right there. When you're ready to stream, you push start streaming. When you stop recording, it's instant. Stop recording. You go up to file, show recording. Bam, there you go right there. Is that it? Is this it? Recording, bam. See, start recording. Let me bring that up here. You can record right there. See that? Ready to stream, recording, bam. Easy like that. Start recording. It record and it renders right away. Record right there. When you ready to stream, you push start streaming. When you stop recording, see that? Testing 1, 2, 3. That's real easy, y'all. OBS. I'm gonna leave them links. What you need. Put this closed caption in your stream, in your live, because sometimes people be at work. They can't hear you. Then you got deaf people like Deaf Princess. That's who really made me want to do this, y'all. I'm going to leave a link. Y'all make sure y'all check it out. But you already know how I do it. Put your food stamp card back in your pocket. And you already know